the current thing was a bit of a cheese. It was cheese. I think just the range. I think that's what your character struggles with.
Oh, the graph. Interesting. Oh. I was too late. Wow, nice. You bait me. What?
Shield pose.
Worth it. Thank you, Link. Sometimes. You can still save the match. How can...
Mario, you've got privilege as well. You've got that frame data privilege as well. It's like Wolf. It's like, you know, Wolf's forward smash. It's like the same. It's like it's just like a tilt. Mario was one of the first characters I wanted to play, but when I started, I wasn't good enough to play him.
3, 2, 1, go!
I think this stage is not legal. Why you didn't land? That's not how you used to do it. Finally.
Finally?
Oh, something I was saying
That
bad.
finally.
He killed me.
Oh, I always do that.
And there, into there.
Bird up.
What?
What do you mean? The reflector.
Yeah, but how did you know that it was coming?
You see it.
Ah, so you did expect it.
Yeah.
That was unbelievable.
Thank you.
I'm still alive. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
You are not alive anymore.
No, but I
You're not.
tried. I tried.
That was good stuff, man.
Where are you going? What are you trying to do? Ah! Are you trying to combo me, sir?
Yeah, no. Not 40% yet.
How about now? I am. No. That was a good match. Played better this time.
I did.
Stop battle.
This is when I know you're like, yeah. When this song comes on, it's like.
One, go!
I didn't know that.
Oh, I nearly got Argus.
Oh, that was beautiful.
So clean.
It's the song, man.
It's that stage.
I'm dead. But I didn't wait to say.
Yeah, you did do a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage.
Oh,
You're so lucky.
I'm sure I was dead.
Yeah, me too. I was like, that's why I didn't even bother doing anything. I was like, yeah.
It's the song. I'm telling you, man.
Let's go lose
It's
now.
all. in the sun.
No. Oh, yeah.
Maybe?
I'll never be like I never get happy about yeah, I'm like happy about the game. Right? Keep it ready. Oh.
Oh! You thought this is the last game?
I did.
No! No! I choose otherwise.
Alright, where are we gonna go?
I told you the song makes the difference. You never believe me, man. You never.
It does make a difference. I believe you. I believe you.
That was beautiful.
It was good.
Freaking Mario, after 100 loses, finally took a game. Oh boy, here we go again.
Go kidding again. Oh, that was nasty. Disrespect.
Can I hit him once? Yes, I can. I can hit him twice. Believe. Oh, what are you trying to do? Nice. Oh, let me laugh. Oh, no. I'm glad that you chose that move. Where are you going? Oh, the rat.
I always crap with this guy. If I'm beaten. Well, not currently.
Did you try to grab the edge? No, siree.
Oh, I died.
Oh, tutu.
Died.
Tutu. You should have waited there for me to come.
No, I just messed up my edge guard. Oh. Final match.
It is the final match. I can choose the song.
I could cheese it with another character. I feel like that goes against the morals of the game.
Your call.
I'm not about them ones. Serious.
Winners take it all. That was cool. What? I read that. Please. Perfect. Perfect. Not worth it. Thank you.
Good games, I can't lie.
Today, but I was playing my best.
Yeah, no, definitely. You were fucking killing me. Like, at the beginning, like, I was out playing you, like through and through.
Yeah, but at the
But you
beginning,
can't-
I want to warm up, man.
Yeah, but you were more than me.
Huh?
No, I think you just got better as it progressed. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Really
yeah.
good stuff.
You can see the progress.
Yeah.
You couldn't let your guard down.
No, yeah, because at first it was just like yeah, it's all good, I'm gonna do ba 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 ba. But no.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Thanks, guys.
It was very good, a very nice stream.